Hello everyone, myself Agrim Gupta. Today we will see and learn about a very beautiful country, Norway. It is one of the best well-developed country in the world. It is found that the people of Norway remains happy most of the time. Actually, this is a report. I have got this as an activity. So, our activity is select a country of your choice, prepare a report describing the country and focus on topics related to population density, natural resources, and density. First of all, let us know the definition of country. What exactly is the meaning of a country? What is the meaning of country? A country is a political state, nation, or territory which is controlled by a politician. It is land of people. In a country, there are all the natural things as well as man-made things living together, like humans, plants, and animals, machines, etc. We can refer countries to both sovereign states and to other political entities. There are around 195 countries in the world. Out of these 195 countries, today we will talk about a number one developed civilized country, Norway. It ranks 1 in all the 195 countries in the world. An introduction to Norway. Norway is a country in northern Europe. The Kingdom of Norway is a sovereign nation on the Scandinavian peninsula in northern Europe. It stands number one well-developed civilized nation in the world. Norway is known for its epic coastline that stretches from Sweden all around the southern and central mountains and all the way up to the Russian border. Norway is mostly known for its natural beauty, fjords, and mountains, including amazing northern lights and the midnight sun. Norway is a safe and happy country. Norway has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. The country ranks high on the World Happiness Report, ranked as number one on the OECD Better Life Index in 2019, as well as on the Democracy Index. So this was the introduction of Norway. That's all about the introduction to Norway. Now let's see some more about Norway, its population, natural density, area, etc. Government and politics of Norway. You can see the Parliament of Norway here. Norway is a constitutional monarchy and divides the state power between the Parliament, the Cabinet, and the Supreme Court. The signing of the Constitution in 1814 was an important milestone for modern Norway, although full independence from Sweden was not achieved until 1905. There was a signing in the Constitution of Norway in 1814. It was important because it was the milestone. It was the way for modern Norway. And Norway got a full independence from Sweden till 1905. The Economist Intelligence Unit rated Norway a full democracy in 2019. More recently, the Freedom in the World report from Freedom House awarded Norway maximum points in political rights and civil liberties. The current Prime Minister of Norway is Erna Solberg. She has held her post since 2013. She leads a center-right coalition government. The largest individual party in the Norwegian parliament is the Labour Party. It is the main opposition party. Coalition governments are the norm in Norwegian politics. Since 1961, no single party has commanded a majority in parliament. Non-left-leaning governments have been full coalitions, while Labour-led governments have been coalitions or relied on the support of other parties to achieve a majority vote. In 1981, Labour leader Gro Harlem Brundtland. She became Norway's first female prime minister. She eventually served 3 terms. Her strong influence over politics and society earned her the nickname National Mother. So we can say that Gro Harlem Brundtland, she is called as the National Mother of Norway. Now let us know about the geography and climate of Norway. Norway shares a long land border with Sweden. The country is also bordered by Finland and Russia to the northeast, with an extensive coastline facing the Atlantic Ocean and the Bering Sea. As previously mentioned, the long coastline influences the country's climate. Coastal Norway is wet and mild, whereas inland regions are cooler and dry with long winters. However, due to the Gulf Stream, the coastal areas are rather mild in the wintertime, and all parts of the country can experience surprisingly warm summers. Now let us learn that what we can expect from the weather in Norway. The natural environment is truly diverse. Northern Europe's tallest mountains, retreating glaciers, and the famous fjords define much of the landscape. Due to the country's terrain, most major towns are located on the coastline or by the fjords. The landscape is a major driver of the tourism industry. Visitors come to Norway from all over the world to experience the fjords and climb mountains. Northern Norway has its own set of natural attractions, including the Northern Lights. Now let us know about the population density of Norway. Norway. It occupies a land of area 385,207 kilometers square, with a population of about 5 million. 5,442,705. And it is the second least densely populated country in Europe. Its majority is living in Oslo and the eastern parts of the country. The population of Norway, it is equivalent to 0.07% of the total world's population. Norway ranks number 119 in the list of 195 countries based on their population. The population density in Norway is 15 people per kilometer square, or 38 people per meter square. Out of the total population of Norway, 83.4% of people, they are urban, means they are rich, and they are around 4,521,838 people. Now let us know about the natural resources of Norway. In this picture, you can see that how well developed the Norway is. There are all the major natural resources. People of Norway are good enough that they have started sharing their resources. This is the only reason why Norway is number one civilized nation. Norway has rich resources of oil, natural gas, hydroelectric power, forests, and minerals, and it is the one of the largest exporters of seafood. Norway is world's 13th largest oil producer. It is rich in natural processes like agriculture, mining, fishing, etc. It also has vast reserves of petroleum, titanium, nickel, natural gas, iron ore, and coal. People of Norway utilize their natural resources properly, and thus this is the only reason of having vast natural resources. So this was all about Norway. These were all the important topics about Norway like population density, its natural resources, and its government and the climate of Norway. So now let's end up our report by having a quick summary of Norway. Norway is number one developed nation in the world. It lies in northern part of Europe. Norway is a constitution nation having parliaments, courts, and the government. The coastal area of Norway is wet and mild, whereas inland regions are cooler and drier with long winters. Norway occupies a land of area 385,207 km square with a population of about 5 million. 5,442,705, and it is the second least densely populated country in Europe. Its population is equivalent to 0.07% of the total world's population. The population density in Norway is 15 per kilometer square or 58 people per meter square. Norway has rich resources of oil, natural gas, hydroelectric power, forests, and minerals, and it is one of the largest exporters of seafood. Norway is world's 13th largest oil producer. It is rich in natural processes like agriculture, mining, fishing, etc. It also has vast reserves of petroleum, titanium, nickel, natural gas, iron ore, and coal. And this was our report of majorly all the important things about Norway. In this report, we have covered all the important things about Norway in brief. I hope you might have liked our report. Thanks for watching.